I hate being in videos all by myself. But anyway, so hi guys. So my channel has been lying dormant for a very long time, and considering how much content I consume and how much I keep telling people to make videos, मेरी बारी आ गई. And today, to start with, I'm going to review the movie Sherni, starring Vidya Balan. Let me first break it down as to why the movie did how it did in my head, and then I will give you the rating of the movie out of 5 stars at the end. So wait till I've said everything and stay tuned, and let's get started with this review. So the movie, first impressions is the marketing. They went all overboard and they got in a lot of influencers. They got body positive influencers. They got a trans woman doctor intern. They got a flow master and an entrepreneur. And obviously there was Vidya Balan in the video, who was rehearsing her lines and doing what she does best. And then there was also Raftaar, who was rapping away to the music and making the music all peppy. And the whole idea of that video was कि मैं शेरनी हूँ. So normally people would assume that the movie is about something to do with women empowerment and how one woman sort of changes the way of how things are looked at, etc., etc. And very strategically they added things like people wearing masks and people distributing food during the COVID crisis, etc., etc. All trending things were plugged in into one video, but this is the impression that we got. And then you had the trailer, which tells you the actual story, which is that there is a tigress, a sherni, in the forests of Madhya Pradesh, and how she is going on a rampage, and why is she going on a rampage, and how can we protect her as well as the lives of people, etc., etc., etc. अब इसमें हो ये जाता है कि Vidya Balan, who we've known for some very good movies, and honestly, trust me, I'm a Vidya Balan star fan. So I expect something which is going to push the boundaries, so to say. But from your dirty picture, and then started this weird downfall, or whatever you want to call it. And a lot of people said that Vidya Balan is now just overacting. Guess what? In this movie, there's no scope for overacting because she barely acted. And I'm like so disappointed that there was so much monotony in her character. Okay, maybe she got into the character of being a forest officer, but itna zyada everyday kar diya tha that okay, maybe that part of the direction was good, that you feel like you're in the scene, but it's too, I don't know what to say. I mean, you're getting the point that that's not why we watch a movie. I mean, OTT के ज़माने में जहाँ इतनी अच्छी वेब सीरीज आ रही है, come on, give us one good movie, one. Theaters वैसे भी नहीं जा पा रहे, पॉपकॉर्न खुद से बनानी पड़ रही है. One good movie is all we are asking for. So now the story, like I've already said, it also has some different characters. There's Neeraj Kabi, who was known for like Talwar, and then there was Sharat Saxena, who plays the hunter, and he was made so important in the movie, and so was Neeraj Kabi, that they were actually in the poster, but मुझे उनका role exactly समझ में आया नहीं. Like, okay, you're trying to show that there are bloodthirsty hunters all over the country who are just looking for excuses to poach, but come on. Why will you tolerate somebody like this? And just because उसकी political pull है, ये है, वो है. I mean, at the end of the day, the movie only became about how everyday humans and people who are probably in their middle class or lower class are actually just puppets stuck in the hands, and this entire game is actually being played by politics and bureaucracy. I mean, ये हमें already पता है. Show us something new, show us some change. There are some very cool stories coming up. There are women IS officers who are going there, taking charge and changing things, or ministers. You have stories, but this story that I think there's something lacking in the messaging. One way the messaging was मैं शेरनी हूँ, where I'm trying to show that women are the boss, and here you show that how this woman, spoiler alert, is kind of managing to not get anything done. I'm not saying that every movie should have a happy ending, लेकिन कुछ तो ले जाने के लिए दो ना. Okay, maybe that person's lost. Okay, maybe everything has gone overboard, but still there has to be something. When I'm asking for that something, that is where I'm thinking that the messaging is actually skewed. एक तरफ आप women empowerment की बात कर रहे हो, दूसरी तरफ आप एक normal चीज़ दिखा रहे हो, आप forest conservation को important बताना चाह रहे हो, and it is, and hopefully people will take away that, oh my god, no, the tigress being killed was bad. But at least have your messaging clear is what my idea is. Music wise, there's not a ton of music, but whatever music is there is actually pretty good, to be very honest. One was the marketing music video which was created, which is Main Sherni Hoon, quite a peppy number. A lot of people will use it as their affirmations, as their something to give them a positive mindset. Very well said. But then there is also another song which is folk inspired, and it is killer. I mean, it is one of those songs that you could possibly be expecting some shadi performances at. But then इतने characters को इतना waste कर दिया. Like for example, there was Brijendra Kala who played the politician. Why? क्यों भाई, उसके character को कुछ तो दे देते. Minister सब कुछ खराब दिखा रहे हो, तो minister के बारे में कुछ तो अच्छा ही भी दिखा दो. Something. Okay. Then there is Mukul Chadda who becomes Vidya Balan's husband in the movie. Why? Why is that character even there? Ila Arun, possibly one of the only people in the movie who have actually acted, and you give her a role which has no relevance. You're just trying to show that despite whatever is happening and women empowerment and this and that, सास हमेशा अपनी बहू को बोलेगी, बेटा हमने तुमको 9 तेलों का हार दिया था, वो पहन के आओ. Please, this is old school. बहुत हो चुका है ये. Please, we need to change this dialogue. It's not working out. Don't waste good actors on small trivial things. Another very, very good actor who was wasted in this was Pratik Pachori. He was known for his character as Casey in the web series Operation MBBS. जहाँ केसी की इतनी चलती थी, वहाँ पे आपने यहाँ पे उनको बनाया है Bubble, who is a driver. He's in the forest service, but his role is of a driver, and I agree that the role of a driver can be extremely important, but you've not given him dialogues. You've not given him a role. क्यों? इतना अच्छा character artist you have completely wasted. There's absolutely no relevance. Please, guys, Pratik Pachori is a really good actor. I'm a big fan. Please, उन्हें अच्छे roles दीजिए. Please, he's capable of doing so much and so well. So let's get that. Storyline, again, like I said, it originates from the pathos and never-ending drama that is going on. कोई अच्छी खबर की किरण कहीं से दिखाई नहीं देती है. Everything is just a mismatch, and everything is just to break the monotony. But it is again so monotonous that the monotony continues, and that shouldn't be the case. So I think I have actually covered whatever there is to say. Cinematography-wise, definitely kudos. Pretty much like how you would expect the producer, director of Newton, pretty much the same way. You get the real feel of being in the forest, of being part of the dialogue, but that's about it. So that makes me give Sherni, and I'm trying to be very, very polite by giving her a little higher ranking. I'm giving Sherni 3 stars out of 5. बहुत दिल पे पत्थर रख के. But anyways, that was my perspective, and a lot of you may find it very entertaining. A lot of you may find it one of the best movies of 2021 so far. Whatever it is that you think it is, leave it in the comments. Tell me what other things would you want me to review, because I think I should do this. I can talk so much, even if it's going shitty, but who cares, right? Let's just give it a shot. And if you think you like this video, don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe. Please ये सब कर दो, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा motivation मिलेगा to make the next video also. Please. Okay. So till I come up with another review, here's the Ishita signing off, and follow me on Instagram. Okay. Tangy Soda Pop.